What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's up, guys? My name is TonyaNicole, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we're going to be unboxing something really cool, really fly. I don't know what else to say, y'all. It is our Glow Addict box for the month of August. I did take a peek at my spoilers on this box, guys, because I needed to get the prices for the products inside because they don't come with a card. So it looks like a pretty decent box this month. So if you guys want to see what's inside of my Glow Addict box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know how your day is going. Thank you. Okay, guys, so first things first, if you have not subscribed to TonyaNicole's bomb-ass subscriber squad, you're sleeping. You need to pause this video right now, go and smash that subscribe button and become one of my bomb-ass subscriber squad people. Like, what are you waiting for, baby? And while you're at it, go on and push that like button because I'm telling you, you're gonna like this video. I know it already. I'm psychic. Anyway, guys, today we're going to be unboxing our Glow Addict box for the month of August, and I'm very excited. I'm kind of new to the subscription. I think this is like my third month getting them. I just signed up for 3 more months, but after these 3 months, I'm going to decide if I want to keep this box or not. It's been a cool subscription, but I want to get into different subscriptions. Maybe more lifestyle subscriptions instead of just doing all makeup subscriptions. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comments down below. I do have the prices for the products that we received this month, so I will put them on the bottom of the screen, as well as we will do a grand total towards the end of the video. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Thing I need to share with you guys. I don't think so. Oh, summer is ending. Thank God. I am so over this heat. I can't wait for fall. Oh, goodness. I'm ready for it, guys. I want winter and fall to come on. I'm ready. I'm ready. I think it's winter next, right? I don't know. But anyway, y'all get the drift, right? For you guys that do not know, Glow Addict Beauty Box is an $18.99 monthly beauty subscription. You get 5 to 7 products in your box, and it's supposed to be valued at around $80. So we will see if that is true since we got the prices, boo. All right, now that we got all of that good stuff out the way, baby, let's get this box open. So this is what the Glow Addict box looks like right here, and we're going to open it up now. Y'all ready? You sure? Okay, oh, it comes wrapped up really well with some bubble wrap, and we have quite a few products this month, y'all. So let's see what we got. And by the way, just FYI, it won't be a try on video this time, okay, guys? Sorry. Up first, I am picking up these premium silk lashes from Cos Cosmetics in the style Venus. Now, I do have these lashes. I received these in my lashy box. I don't remember if I liked them or not. I don't remember, but I will be putting these in a giveaway. Yeah, these are very pretty. They're natural lashes, perfect for work, but I don't think I'm gonna keep them, guys. I'm gonna put them in a giveaway for you all so you can get into the lashes and love them like I do. And let's see how much this retails for. And these lashes right here in the style Venus retails for $9.99. Up next, I am pulling out, oh, this micro brow tattoo pen from Iconic Beauty. And this is what the packaging is looking like. Very, very, very shiny. And let's see what color we got. Black brown. And this is what it's looking like outside of the wrapper. Oh, okay, guys. So I see, you see at the top, it's like 3 little, I don't know what you would call it. It's like a little comb, I guess. And I guess that is for the front of the brows to kind of separate and give you more hair-like strokes and features there. Let's swatch this and see. All right, I may be able to work with that. It's a little dark for my liking, but I think just to touch up the front, let me just swatch it without going over it. And that's how it looks, like real little hair-like strokes. So I like that. I will definitely be trying this out. And let's see how much this retails for. And this Iconic Beauty Micro Brow Pen retails for $12.99. Up next, we have from Ruby May Cosmetics this Glossy AF gloss here. And this is what it looks like out with all the plastic wrapping on it. Let's take that off and see. And this is what it looks like right there. And it's like this nice pink. I'm assuming it's a sheer gloss with some little glitter specks in it. So that is really cute. I'm not gonna swatch it, guys, because I will put this in a giveaway for you all. So let's see how much this retails for. This Ruby May Cosmetics Glossy AF lip gloss retails for $18.99. Is that right? I wouldn't pay $18.99 for a Ruby May gloss, but okay. Up next, I am seeing a repeat item that I got last month in my Lashy box, and it is this little tweezer set here, and I will definitely be putting this in a giveaway for you guys. And it's just like a Lashy box, a mini traveler. I have my other one right here, actually. Look, and it basically is two little tweezers, and this is how the end of the tweezers look. One is slanted, one is like the pointed one. I actually like them. I've been using them a lot to pluck my brows in between my eyebrow waxings. So this is actually a pretty good little set, and this retails for $9.99, guys. All right, next up we have from a glow stick. It's greasy. We have a glow stick from Iconic Beauty, and this is a, let's see, like I think it's like stick that'll make your skin look glowy before you put your foundation on. I don't know if it's like a primer as well. I'm definitely gonna have to research this. I think on the on Instagram they put it down as a primer. So if it is a primer, we're definitely gonna be trying this out. But if it's just like a hydration stick, I will not. I will put it in the giveaway for you guys. So this is what it looks like right here. I will not open it and swatch it because I don't want to, just in case it is not a primer, I want to give it to one of you guys that can use it to hydrate your skin. But this is really cool. I love getting things like this in my subscription boxes. It's very different. So this right here is the Iconic Beauty Glow Stick Face Primer, and it retails for $15. Up next we have, and this is the Vanilla Lip Scrub. And this is how the outside packaging is looking, guys, all right there. And let's open it up and see. Now, I do love a lip scrub. My lips are dry and they get dry all the time. I need something that'll scrape off like that dry layer and make my lips feel smooth and silky. So when I put on my gloss, it'll be popping, boo. Okay, this is taking forever for me to open. Let's see. Okay, 15 minutes later. Ooh, I don't smell any real vanilla. This is what it looks like, guys, right here. It's packed in there. It's like a scrub, like maybe a sugary scrub. Oh, but it doesn't, okay, it feels like a balm. It's not like rough. You know how some of the lip scrubs are rough? It's not. I don't really smell any vanilla. You can't really see anything, but it's more of like a, you can feel some of the scrub in it, but it's not a lot. I don't know if maybe once you get a little deeper down in it, you'll be able to feel it, but I mean, it feels nice on my hand, so. Okay, we're definitely gonna be putting this to the test. And this vanilla scrub right here from Naked Cosmetics retails for $6.99. We did get an eyelash glue from Lashy Box, a little sample one, which if y'all saw my Lashy Box unboxing, I got a full size one of these. Last up in the box, we have another Naked Cosmetics item. And this is, what is this? It says, if it's not naked, it's not natural. Oh, okay. Let's see what this is. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. Just sleek black packaging. Oh, okay. So it is a stack of loose pigment eyeshadows. And these are adorable. I will not take them out of the stack because I will definitely be putting this in a giveaway for you guys, but it looks like a neutral palette. I won't, I want to put them in a giveaway because I don't really like loose pigment unless I'm feeling like living on the edge and using them. But if I do, I will try the one from my Lashy Box, see if I like that one. If not, I will put these in a giveaway for you guys. So let's see how much this retails for. And this Naked Cosmetics 4-color pigment stack is retailed at $40, guys. Wow. Wow, okay. So guys, that was our last item in the box. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts. We're gonna rate this box and we're gonna be done. So we received from Iconic Beauty this glow stick here. We received from Ruby May Cosmetics this Glossy AF lip gloss. From Cosmetics, these lashes here in the style Venus. We also received from Iconic Beauty this micro brow tattoo pen. From Lashy Box, this tweezer set here. Oh, I'm running out of hands. From Naked Cosmetics, this vanilla lip scrub. And also from Naked Cosmetics, this 4-stack color pigment. And that is 2, 4, 6, 7 items this month. Ooh. Final thoughts on this box. I think that this is a pretty good box for this month. We got some lashes, we got some eyeshadows, we got a brow product, a primer. So I really, really like that they give me a big variety of things. Even if I don't keep all of the products, I give them to you guys. I know the remaining products I will get a lot of good use out of. For me, I would say that this is a really good subscription box for this month. So if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is like the worst thing ever, to 5 being this box is like the bomb.com on fire, we will rate it at a strong 4 for this month because I really like this box, guys. I really, really, really like it. Y'all know I really don't like the fact that it doesn't come with a card and prices, but since they are putting it on Instagram, I'm good with that. And also the repeat items from Lashy Box, I just kind of wish that they would skip a couple months before they give us like the same products we received last month from Lashy Box. Other than that, I'm good with this box. We're gonna give it a strong 4 for this month. Please let me know your comments down below on this box. Let me know if you're subscribed to this company, your rating on this box, if you like this box or not. If you haven't subscribed to me yet, please do so today, okay? You have to. Thank you. Also, give this video a big thumbs up if you guys liked it. Make sure you let me know how you're feeling today, how your day is going. I really, really want to know. All of my social media tags will be down below. Go on and press those and subscribe to your girl. Become one of my bomb-ass subscriber squad people because y'all know I love y'all, right? Right. So guys, that is all that I have for this video today. I hope you all have a wonderful, marvelous rest of your week and rest of your day. I love you guys so much. Until next time and next video, please be blessed. Peace.